The Vegan Gorilla, Chef Perry, your boy. And today you're going to make a no excuse vegan meal. And what's that mean? It means that usually most places I go or whatever, people, well, they're vegan, I don't know what to feed them. Should we give them a salad? Do I look like I eat salad? I'm not a big salad eater. I'm a big eater though. But most people just, especially when they're not vegan, I mean, it's hard, I get it, but they don't understand. It's like, I don't know what to make, and I'm not sure what to eat. And look in the grocery store. Now's the best time to be vegan. Fine example. I'm going to give you a little meal here, lunch, that you can make. And there's no more excuses for not knowing what to make. These are called Guardian. These are turkey cutlets. So they're just made of these are just made of rich flour, so soy protein, wheat gluten, all that lovely stuff. Anyways, doesn't matter, but these are good. We got vegan cheddar cheese. Yeah, vegan cheddar cheese. Vegan mayo. And let's make a sandwich. Let's use it to make. So I'm gonna take these cutlets. You can see they're already pre-breaded. I'm gonna throw those in the oven for about 20 minutes. For them, I'm gonna make 2 sandwiches. Or like 1 sandwich for me, but I'm gonna throw those in and cook those up. Might throw little fries on the side. We'll come back and we'll put this puppy together and I'll show you how it's a no excuse sandwich. All right. So gorillas, I'm back. The cutlets are baked, and I threw a little bit of fries in there too, so I'm gonna make that. So let's get this assembled. I got some nice Portuguese bun that I actually toasted. So good. So I got my cutlets. Just gonna give them a quick cut. No pun intended, cutlets. And we got some mayo, vegan mayo. Oh yeah. That's nice. Okay, let's build her. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I got enough for an extra sandwich I'm gonna make shortly. I have some vegan cheese. Again, you can buy these at all the grocery stores now, so no excuse for not being able to make anything vegan anymore. It's on. Pleasure cheese. And I got some cucumbers that I chopped up, a little bit of crunch. Then I got some nice avocado. Cut it up. I'm gonna make a couple of these sandwiches. How the vegan gorilla gets down, I eat 2 of those. All right. Look at that. And always season your sandwiches. Just because it's a sandwich, that doesn't mean to not be seasoned. A little pinch of Himalayan sea salt. A little bit of cracked black pepper. Some fresh Boston lettuce that grown right from the garden across the street from my neighbor. Thank you, Peggy. Much appreciated. And most importantly, your little love. Gotta have your love. All right, folks, let me get this plated. I'll come back, give it a taste test, 1 to 5 gorillas, let you know how it is. Even though most of the stuff is processed, it's a quick meal, easy to do. So no more excuses. I don't know what to make. He's vegan. I don't know. A salad. No, not a salad. Lots of stuff to cook if you don't want to cook from scratch. Anyways, we'll be back and we'll give this a shot. See you in a minute. Hello, girls. I'm back. Got her all plated up. Now look at that. Look at that. How are you going to tell me, oh, I don't know what to feed him. He's vegan. I don't know. Maybe make it a salad. Oh, make me a sandwich, man. Make me something. There's lots of stuff in the store. Doesn't have to be everything. Doesn't have to be from scratch. Think of everything that you guys do when you're at home anyways. A lot of times you're buying box pizza and different things, and everyone cooks from scratch all the time. So a lot of good food out there. Good time to be a vegan. And let's give this a taste test. Ooh-wee. excited. Hmm. Hmm. That's very good. Portuguese bun, crunch on the outside, toasted, soft inside. A little crunch from the cucumbers, the creaminess from the avocado in there, the nice blossom lettuce, and the vegan turkey cutlets. They're really good. I have, I'm gonna make them out of probably some seitan or something. I'm gonna duplicate them, but only because of the mixed processed stuff. But in a pinch, this is the way to go, man. And nobody's gonna be disappointed in you if you put this together and do that. This one, you gotta make sure that you're thinking of us. That's all. Not what the fuck am I cow? Anything. Go to the store. Perfect. Lots of choices. Anyway, if I don't see you again, and I do see you again, so namaste. Be kind. Because that's a 505 rule, baby. Oh yeah. See ya.